Rakshabandhan is a special occasion that celebrates the bond between siblings, parents, partners, friends, and every relationship. It's time to show love and appreciation for each other. And what better way to do that than by making something special to honor the day? Hello guys, hope you all are doing great. I'm fine and welcome back to my creative world. As a resin artist, I have decided to create a unique photo frame on the theme of Rakshabandhan. While I have made some photo frames for customers in few days back, this time I am creating one for myself to capture the memories of this special day. It is important to me and to many of you to make this occasion extra special by doing something meaningful and personal. Creating a resin photo frame on the theme of Rakshabandhan allows me to express my creativity and love for my family members in a tangible way. This is old photograph of us poor crazy people in Rajasthan. Anyways, by capturing a special moment in time and preserving it in a beautiful frame, I am able to create a lasting memory that we can cherish for years to come. By taking the time to craft something with my own hands, I am able to illustrate my best buddies, how much they mean to me and how grateful I am to have them in my life, especially my kids. I am excited to see the final result and will be happy to share it with my loved ones as a token of my affection. I won't talk much today. Let's enjoy the making process till the end in silence. Have a nice day. Enjoy the festive mood to the fullest. Spread love and light. Thanks for watching my videos and supporting my hard works. Stay tuned for the next. Till then, bye bye. Take care. Namaste.